Last day in the canyon. So we had a bear come through last night. How'd you guys sleep?
Yeah, good man. Really good. Better than the night before. No bear activity, no bear attacks. There was something cruising around there. I heard like a raccoon or something out there.
Advanced bivvy. Great bivvy. Tarp. Yeah, I heard something down here at the mouth of the canyon walking around.
What do you think it was?
I don't know. It might have been that bear.
Sound big?
Yeah.
I heard something walking around too. I thought it was over there. I thought it was just like a raccoon or something.
Spam and eggs.
Oh, you
Coffee.
asked for Oh, does it? Yep. Good hot plate right there. Yeah.
Just another day. It's just another day. Party at Ground Zero. One of my shortcuts. Not as hard as it looks. They're just over dramatizing it. Not that bad, huh?
That's good. Fun.
Not bad. A little bit sketchy.
Years ago, this right here was a 20-foot deep hole, about 20 feet across, about 40 feet long. You can see it from Google Earth.
Really?
There was a hole right over there that went underneath that rock, about 9 feet deep, and Kenny lived down in there, and he had a pet trout in a pool over there. He used to feed it grasshoppers and stuff. But he prospected all this, and all this, it refilled, all this refilled it. But you can see that hole from Google Earth. Then he dug another hole, 2 more. He dug another one by Big Boulder. It's still there, he's still working that one. And another one, Heaton Flats. And another one by the China mine, just before the last turn. They were not as big as this one though. This is. There's one. Oh, there's another one in the Narrows that he dug that's like 60, 80 feet long, and I'll show you the entire tailings that he dug out of it. The tailings are now the trail. He altered the trail. The tailings are now the trail.
So he would have got down to bedrock.
Does he live up here full time, does he?
Yeah.
Damn it. The fun's over.
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna show you some stuff you've never
yes,
seen.
Some cool
Still got some stuff, some
cool stuff.
unsighted stuff.
Now there's heaps of people. That would
Got somebody about to make the plunge. See if I can get him. Hold these for a minute. See if I can get him close up.
She goes backwards up again. One night.
She's not wearing anything under those leggings.
You can see through them.
Yeah.
See her white cheeks. Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Snap.
Oh, she lost her shoe. Her shoe's in the river.
Dude, she just got hit the bridge. So if you went over the top of one of those supports on the arch, so you'd be screwed, bashing yourself around.
Her shoe's gone. She's got a long walk to the bottom to get her shoe.
No, he'll send down one of his Sherpas to get it for her.
Oh, they're still posing down there.
Pose!
The saga continues.
I can see your bum crack.
Look at this.
That's where Alan had in his
Look at how thin they are. Poor guy. Look how thin. There's two of them in line. I have two of them in line, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, we come out on the weekend to look at the people.
Yeah.
Look at that. Later, guys.
That's a big guy. Yeah.
You guys not swinging.
Totally.
Look at that horn.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
To see them
He's a peak bagger. Look at him.
bumping heads or horns.
I've seen that.
I've heard it, and I'm like, what the hell is that? And then we're like, oh, it's a sheep.
Pretty cool.
So we had bear sighting.
Here we go. The old cart tracks still in place.
Yeah, how do you know there are no bears?
We don't. As a kid, it's a rock collector's dream.
one of these It goes all the way around there. You gotta get on your belly to go around there though.
Yeah, it opens up into a big cavern.
I'm not going around there.
It opens up into a big cavern.
I'm all good.
Through there, Alan, to the right.
Yeah.
Right through there, it opens up into a great big cavern. There's some sleds back there and stuff where people have been pulling gold out recently, so they're still working this mine on and off.
Look over there. It goes all the way out into the right up there. And look, this must have been a river at one stage.
It was, right?
Yeah, that's why all of these are stacked like that. Because it's not solid rock like the other ones that we've seen. It's crazy. Pulling those rocks out.
It's not sandy like where you ever were.
Yeah, mate, it's just, it's river. It's river gravels. It'd be like, oh,
There's old mines all over these mountains.
it'd be like Jenga.
Look at this. So Ian,
Yeah.
how's the $54 grand tour so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. Worth 100.
Actually, guys, I didn't charge anything. But I put the open invite out there. A lot of people got back to me. Cinnabon. Squirrel. And on their comment, I left, on the ones that were serious, I left a comment saying, check back here. On that video, on your comments, check back here as the date gets closer. Date got closer. I posted under their thing. The time, the dates, the situations, the plan, and to get back to me ASAP. And only these guys did. So if you didn't make it, I'm sorry, but I have no way of contacting people, no way of keeping in contact with that many people, so you gotta understand. Pay attention to me, son. Pay attention when I'm talking to you. Back on the East Fork. So we all brought these bags. We brought these bags in empty. We're carrying them out with stuff. We're gonna change this area. We're paying our rent for the weekend. Here's the before. And there's the after. 1, 2, and there's a third one, isn't there?
Yeah, old Woody. Oh, Woody's got it.
3.
And she's got shit wedged in her.
Oh yeah. Trash
Trash
in the back.
Trash in here.
Final crossing. Final guy. East Fork River through hike. We'll be leaving the river and headed for the parking lot. It was a good one. Here's our rent.